you have to, if you want to do a drawing my book, then you have to ask me, and if I say yes or no, you can. And you're not allowed to take my book and start drawing without asking. I'm not allowed that. Now you say, okay, Charlotte. Okay, Charlotte. Okay, Charlotte. Good. Do you understand now? Yes. That's the rule for me too and you.